Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, we are going to see how to highlight blank cells using conditional formatting. See here, I have given a table with most of the cells are blank. Okay, in these blank cells, we are going to fill with some colors. Okay, this is what we are going to see how to fill the blank cells with some colors. Okay, see, I have selected the full table. Look at that, there are so many empty cells are there. So under the home tab, conditional formatting one option is there. Select that, and under that new rules will be there. Okay, you just select the new rules. One dialog box will be open like a new formatting rule. Okay, this dialog box will be opened. From here, what we have to select is format only cells that contain. See, the second option you have to select. Okay friends, once you selected the second option, then come down. See here, the drop down box will be there. Here you have to select the blanks. Okay, like I selected, you just select the blanks, and then at the down format, you have to select the format. Okay, here under the fill, see there are so many colors are there. Which colors you want to be filled with the blank cells, you can just select that color, whatever you like. Okay, once you selected that one, come down and press OK. Once you press OK, see here in the preview it will show the blank cells how it will be filled with, and with which color it will be filled, it will be shown here. Once you press OK, see here the tables wherever there is blank cells, all are filled with the selected colors by you. Okay, through the conditional formatting, which colors you have set, that will be entered here. See here, after 8 I am going to enter the blank cells as a 9. Okay, once I press 9, see automatically the color has been removed. If already entered data is there, see here any data is already entered in there, I am going to delete. See, July I have deleted, automatically the cell is become a blank cell, so it is filled with the green color. Okay, see here wherever there is already data, if you remove, it will become a green color. Blank cells will be highlighted with the selected colors by you. Okay, if any of the blank cells if you are entering, then automatically the color will be removed. Okay, see here, now I am going to enter the value in the blank cells. See, once I enter, the color will be removed because it becomes the cells with the values. Okay, the characters, so it will be removed, the color will be removed. Okay friends, this is how you have to fill the blank cells. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next wonderful video.